How to record specific window in OBS Studio. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can record a specific window in OBS Studio. So let's dive in. First you have to launch your OBS Studio app over here, and now you can see I have the sources option. Just click this eye over here and turn off any of these options over here. Now you can see I have a black screen available. Now what you have to do is click this plus sign over here, and then you have to just choose this window capture option. But first let's open the window that we want to capture. For example, I want to open this file explorer over here. Just make sure you do not click this cross or minimize it. Let it be open and then click this plus in the sources tab and then click window capture. Now name it as folder or name it whatever you want, and then you have to click OK. Now, in most cases people choose automatic, but you can go with Windows 10 as well. I'm gonna go with automatic. And now choose the window over here. You can see I have the file option over here. And now you have to simply click OK over here. And here you can see now I can select the orientation over here. Now you have to right click on this, and then you can just select the orientation by clicking transform. And now you can just choose to fit to screen. You can play with the transformation over here as you like. I'm gonna go with fit to screen, and then you can just start recording by clicking over here. Now that's how you record specific window in OBS Studio.